Meron ako nakita ritong paparating o dumating na. Medyo hindi siya mahiyain 'no, actually nase-sense ko nga rito na parang napaka-sociable niya. Ah, Hindi ko masabi yung salitang friendly, pero parang gusto ko sabihin yung too friendly or masyadong sociable, masyadong friendly. I don't know. I'm seeing a skin of a pig. So, maaaring makapal ang balat niya. Actually, I wanna see. Makapal ang mukha niya. Alam naman natin na makapal ang balat ng baboy, eh. Di ba? Thick skin. Lalo na yung baboy ramo. Mhm. Let me get more. Okay. Hey there mga My Loves Collective, thank you po sa inyong walang sawang suporta at palagi ang pagtambay. So kung hindi niyo pa po alam, mayroon pa po tayong main channel ang The High Priestess Tarot. Ang link po niyan is nasa ating description box. So yun nga, no, hi and hello sa mga new subscribers. Thank you dahil nandito kayo, no, at sa mga returning viewers and subscribers, thank you sa inyong walang humpay na support. So yun nga mga babes, no, kung hindi niyo pa po alam, open pa po ang ating hidden/secret messages reading, no. So yun ay para dun sa mga walang communication sa person na iniisip nila. Curious pa ba kayo kung iniisip kayo ng person na yun ngayon? At kung iniisip man nila kayo ngayon, paano nila kayo binuview or nakikita ngayon? Or kung meron pa ba silang emotions and feelings for you, ano ba yung feelings nila towards you ngayon? At kung meron pa silang unspoken words or may gusto silang sabihin pero never nilang masasabi sa'yo, but I'm gonna find it out for you guys. Yeah? I'm gonna find out yung current energy ng person na yan. So, if you're interested, you may inquire dito sa The High Priestess Tarot KR at gmail.com. So, yun nga mga babes, no, that is for limited time only because kapag naging busy na ako, nababalik na ulit tayo sa ating daily routine. So, yun nga mga babes, no? So, wala po tayong gender dito, babae, lalaki, LGBT, lahat kayo welcome. Pwede nyo rin pong pagpalit-palitin yung roles if you want. And syempre, at the end of the day, you always have your free will with you na free nyong gamitin anytime, anywhere. So, let's get straight to the point, no? Ike buya. So, what is this? I'm seeing it with the world card right here, lovers in reverse. 3 of coins energy. You're connecting here with someone na may sariling mundo. Iba yung klase ng kanyang pag-iisip dito. You know? Di ko alam kung ibang kultura ba ito, no? Or parang may sarili siya ritong mundo, may sarili siya ritong parang, may sarili siya ritong mga parang ginagawa, no? na parang siya lang yung gumagawa nun, parang hindi galawan ng isang matino or normal na individual. Anong ibig mong sabihin, Miss Yan? Because as what I'm seeing from here, let's get straight to the point, no? Kasi this confuses you. Pero, nakikita ko na ginagawa mo ito kasi gusto mo rin naman. Nakikita ko dito mga babes, no, that kung sino man tong kadil mo dito, no, you could be holding hands with each other, you could be hugging with each other, you could be kissing each other, and you could be making love with this person right here. But why? Because in this reading, it's clearly malinaw na sinasabi sa akin rito na hindi kayo friends. And you're not even lovers anyway. But, ano ito? Why are you holding hands with someone here? Na hindi naman kayo. Wala naman kayo. Why are you hugging that person? Body contact right here. Hindi naman kayo. Wala naman kayo. You're not even friends. And why are you kissing this person here? Hindi naman kayo. Hindi naman kayo friends. And the worst, why are you making love with this person here? Hindi ko nga ito matawag na friends with benefits because you're not even friends. I can't even call it friends because this person here is not showing me that you are a friend to him or her because this individual right here, I'm seeing na isa siyang klase ng freak. Isa siyang klase, no, ng energy, no, na basura sa paningin ko because hindi niya kayo nakikita dito kahit bilang isang kaibigan. This person is seeing you not as somebody, okay, but you're seeing you as someone, no, na nobody. Nakita mo yung difference? Di ba? This person here is seeing you as nobody. Tsaka anong klase ba to? Is this a type of connection here? What type of connection is this? Because this is more likely here an agreement. You could have met this person here online or maybe you could be talking with this person here online. Yan, no? Or nakilala mo siya rito in one of these dating apps na posibleng sinalihan mo yung iba. Doesn't have to be the dating apps yan, no? Ikaw ito, with this Hierophant energy, no, Seven of Coins energy, no, nakita ko dito nagsisimula na rito magustuhan mo tong person na to. That's why, pwedeng payag kasi ganitong klase ng setup, no? Because maybe you're waiting here, no? Na kailan kaya siya rito parang magbibigay ng label sa aming connection? Or kailan ba niya ako makikita, magugustuhan or makikita kung paano ko siya nakikita. Kailan niya ba ako? Seven of Coins energy, no? Ace of Cups. Kailan niya ba ako rito mamahalin? At ang nakakaloka, alam mo sa sarili mong wala namang kayo. Or nasa isip mo, wala pang kayo. Tsaka anong klaseng kontrato ba to? Diba? Anong klaseng usapan ba to? Nakikipag-usap siya dito sa iba-ibang mga energies, with the Seven of Cups energies, Three of Cups in reverse, no? At ang nakakaloka, yung mga tingin niya rin sa mga iba niya pang kausap, ay kagaya lang din ng tingin niya sa'yo. Nobody. At yun yung pinaka-pipintig-pintig, no, ng aking, no, ng aking mga ugat-ugat dito, no? Kasi ayoko yung tinatrato kayo ritong nobody. Dahil para sa akin, ang nobody ay para na rin isang pagtrato sa isang basura or sa isang doll, sa isang manika. And you are not a doll. You're not even a robot, isn't it? And I hate when someone here treats you like this. You allow them to hold your hand. You allow them to have body contact with you. You allow them to kiss you, exchange those passionate kiss. You have feelings for that person. You start developing feelings for that person and that person here. What? No feelings at all? exchanging kisses with you. French kiss. No feelings. Wow. This person here, I don't know. Victim niya? Tora niya? Crazy? Baliw ba siya? This person's a freak. No respect for women. No respect for men. Wala tayong gender dito. No respect for you guys. LGBTQs, of course, welcome din kayo. Okay? So, nakikita kong paulit-ulit ito nangyayari, no? Okay lang, wala kayong label, no? Pero it hurts you because he or she is connecting with other people. You see him or her could be flirting with other people, exchanging smiles with other people, no? Nagtatama yung mga shoulders nila, no? Or whatever. And this is you, you know, wala naman kayo. So you cannot interrupt them. You cannot interfere sa kanila. Kasi this is you. You might be afraid of losing this person here or tuluyan ka niya ritong i-avoid. Pero what I love about this reading ninyo is that darating yung time na mapapagod ka with the 9 of Wands energy. No? Mapapagod ka and you will realize that this is not the relationship you've been wanting. So you're gonna cut this person here out of your life, okay? I'm seeing someone here, no, na posibleng magpalit ng number, magpalit ng social media accounts right here, no, you're gonna avoid this person here, and this person here, no, will start sending communications with you, no, text messages, chat messages right here, no, at yun na nga, no, pwedeng yung iba sa inyo after ng pagpapadala niya ng mga mensahe, no, hindi na kayo mag-reply and you're gonna change your number for good. You're gonna change your social media account, no? Madali lang naman magpalit ng mga social media accounts, diba? So, this person right here, ayoko na maging parang toy or laruan because I am a human being and I deserve to be loved. Yan, no? So, na-realize mo yung mga baby. So, parang dito nagising ka sa ganong klase ng setup, no? And this is you, no? Na parang na-realize mo that this person here is really a jerk. Diba? That this person here is not the right person to mention love because he or she do not know what love is. Is love connecting with other people? Is love chatting other people? Is love, diba? Having body contact with other people. And guess what? This person here is someone na posibleng yung iba sa kanila, no, is may sakit pa. Because they're really a total player for others of you, no? Yung kadil ninyo, maaaring may sakit siya. Kasi marami na rin siya rito nakakonect. Hindi lang sa words, kundi pati rin sa body contact. So this is you, you're gonna save yourself right here, do not worry. Kasi kahit naman meron siya rito na sakit, hindi ko nakikitang mahawa kayo. Because you are being saved right, no, nasakto lang, no, dun sa time na puputulin na ninyo, no? Kasi you are into traditions with the Hierophant energy. You are someone here na iba sa inyo posibleng conservative pa kayo. Yun yung mga target niya, no? Yung mga conservative, yung mga simple lang, yung hindi maingay, no? Kasi yun yung parang nakikita niya rito na nag-challenge siyang kumunik. And at the same time, no, madali daw mauto. What the heck, diba? So, nakita ka dito that this person right here is really not someone here right for you. Okay? Glad to see na masasave ninyo ang sarili ninyo from this person here. Not anymore. Okay? I'm seeing you breaking your SIM card, showing it, no? Or pwedeng ilubog nyo sa tubig na matagal, no? And you're gonna break it, throw it, diba? Or changing your Facebook account, Instagram account, any account. Okay? So you're gonna avoid this person right here. And guess what? In the future, this is your energy. Queen of Swords energy, Five of Coins energy, and the Knight of Wands energy. Another player is coming to town. But this time, alam mo na yung gagawin mo. Because this person cannot get through you. This is another player ha, na nakikita kong paparating sa inyo, no? Nakikita ko rito na this time, no, hindi mo nakahayaan yan na kahit dulo ng daliri mo mahawakan yan. Because alam mo na pag naispatan mo na yung red flag sa kanya, dyan sa paparating na yan, no, right ahead, you're gonna cut that person. You're gonna cut that person, no? Not just using scissors, but an itak right here, no? Cut agad yung communication pag naispatan ang red flag sa kanya rito. No? You're gonna block that person right away. And this is yung nakita ko na talagang naging matalino ka na rito, no? Sa pag-handle, hindi lang ng emotions mo, no? Kundi sa pag-read rin, no? Ng energy ng tao or ng intention sa pagpapakaramdam mo sa intensyon ng tao. So, mayroon pang isang paparating pero hindi ko nakikita na mauutakan kayo niyan kasi matalino na kayo pag dumating yun. Yan, no? Tama. Kasi, you're purest of the pure right here. You want love as pure as your heart, no? So, this is you na alam mo na hindi itong mga ito ang makakapagbigay sa'yo niyan. So, I'm seeing you right here, no, na kinakat mo silang lahat sa buhay mo so that you're gonna make room for that new love na deserve mo talaga. So yeah, these are all the messages I've got right here for you, sweetheart. You're doing the right thing and I'm so proud of you as your mom. Thank you. Sana hiya, love, and light. Ano?